Hello Year 9. So this afternoon I'm going to talk to you about science option. We'll have a little think about the science you have to do because everybody has to do science at GCSE anyway. The images here on this page are different science jobs. So science of course involves technology and engineering, planning and the environment of course. There's loads and loads of different options for you if you decide a science career. Okay, let's have a little think about let's have a little look at what you need to be doing. So everyone will automatically study combined science. If you don't pick the option to do triple, you'll do combined. And that includes 4 lessons a week, okay? You'll have biology, chemistry and physics, 1 lesson of each of those per week, plus a skills lesson. Your exams are at the end of the course, it's a linear course, and there are 6 altogether. You have 2 for each subject, paper 1 and paper 2, and each paper is an hour and 15 minutes. There isn't any coursework, but we do practicals. I'm sorry, I can get this out of the way. We do practicals. Oh, I didn't want to do that. We do practicals, and they are required practicals, and they will be included in the exams. About 15% of exam questions are related directly to the required practicals, and the maths content for your combined science is about 20%. Right, what about A levels? Well, you really enjoy science, but you don't want to drop anything else in order to do the triple. Will you be able to do A level? Well, yes, you will. It's okay. The minimum requirement, though, and this applies if you do triple or not, whether you do triple or whether you do combined, is to get a grade 6. So you get 2 grades in combined. You need to get a 6.6 as a minimum in order to be able to do 1 or more science A levels. Okay, so it's not closed to you if you choose not to do the option of triple science. Why won't this move? Right, here we go. Why would you choose triple science? Now, you choose triple science for lots of reasons, but mainly because you're very interested in it and you think you might wish to pursue a science-related career or the A levels. You choose it because you're curious about our world and how everything works. You pick triple because you want to be informed about issues that directly impact on your life and your future. You choose it because perhaps you want a job that will make a difference to the world in a good way, through research maybe, or the caring professions, or engineering, technology, conservation, environmental work, and loads of other related jobs, including teaching, of course. You don't choose it because you can't think of anything else. Let's see if I can move on to the next one. Right. Triple science, so what does that involve? It equals 3 GCSEs, okay? So if you pick this option, it means an extra 2 science lessons a week. That's 6 altogether. You have 2 lessons of biology, 2 of chemistry and 2 of physics, and there are 3 separate GCSE exams at the end. The exams will involve 6 papers, paper 1 and paper 2 for each subject. So and those papers are an hour and 45 minutes. The papers are longer than for combined because you're studying more content. If you're studying more content, they have to take longer to examine you on it. The maths content is higher in triple than it would be in combined. So for maths, so biology, the maths content is about 10%. That's a minimum. It's usually a bit more than that, to be honest. There's a minimum of 20% maths in chemistry and a minimum of 30% maths in physics. In terms of A level, you have a slightly better preparation because you've studied more topics, so you've gained a wider knowledge and understanding of each science. But just like the combined, if you decide to do A levels, you have to get a minimum grade of 6 at GCSE to move on to A level. Okay. Think about some questions that people often ask about the subject. So how much homework will you have for triple? That's asked all the time. At Key Stage 4, you have about 40 minutes of homework per lesson. So that's twice a week, 40 minutes per lesson, per subject, remember, so you've got 3 subjects. Are there different tiers? Yes, there are. There are 2 tiers in science. We have higher and foundation. So if you take the foundation tier, you can get a grade between 1 and 5 for triple, or 1 and 5 for combined. Now, the grades go between 1 and 9, so you can see there's a bit of an overlap. Foundation goes 1 to 5, and triple goes 4 to 9. Okay? You get 2 grades for combined because they put all your marks together and award you 2 GCSEs. So you might get, for example, 3-4, or you might get 5-5, or you might get 4-5, different. For triple, you get 1 grade per subject. Okay, another frequently asked question is, I'm good at physics and chemistry, sometimes, but not so good at biology. Do I have to do the same tier? Well, for triple, no, you don't. You can take different tiers for each science because they are 3 different GCSEs. For combined, however, you have to take the same tier for each paper because the scores are added together in order to give you that double grade. So I hope that's given you something to think about. Remember, we picked triple because we really, really enjoy science and we like hard work and we like a challenge. Everybody else has to do combined science. And in this school, in Waldegrave School, we study the course Trilogy. So the exam board is AQA and the course is Trilogy. The exam board is AQA for triple, single sciences. If you want to find out more, you can go online and have a look and see what each course involves by looking up the specification. Okay, well, good luck in your choices, girls. Bye.